Imagine this. You wake up one morning in your 60s, and despite eating healthy, you notice your arms feel weaker, your legs a little less steady, and even carrying groceries feels heavier than before. What if I told you that the silent reason behind this slow strength loss isn't just age, it's protein, and that the way most seniors eat protein is setting them up to lose muscle faster? Here's the truth. After 60, your body doesn't use protein the same way it did in your 30s or 40s. It's like a lock that's gotten rusty. The key still fits, but it takes more effort to turn. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In plain English, your muscles need more protein more often just to stay the same. And here's the part nobody talks about. If you don't adjust, you could eat the same chicken breast or bowl of beans you've always eaten, and your muscles still won't fully respond. That's why so many seniors feel weaker, even though their diet hadn't really changed. So what's the fix? It's not complicated. Let me walk you through 3 natural strategies that can keep your muscles strong, steady, and working for you without falling into the just eat more trap. First, it's not about eating protein all day long. It's about the timing and distribution. Think of your muscles like a light switch. They don't turn on with a sprinkle of protein here and there. They need a threshold, about 25 to 30 grams in one meal, to flip that switch fully. That's roughly a palm-sized piece of salmon or 3 scrambled eggs with some cheese. Eat below that, and it's like tapping a switch that never clicks on. Second, not all proteins work the same for seniors. Some break down slowly and don't give your muscles the spark they need. That's why proteins rich in leucine, like whey, eggs, and lean meats, are powerful for older adults. Leucine is like the ignition key. It signals your muscles, wake up, it's time to grow. Without it, protein is just food, not fuel. Now here's the third, and this is where seniors often see the biggest change. Pairing protein with gentle resistance activity. Picture this. You sip a protein shake, then do 10 minutes of chair squats or band pulls. That simple pairing tells your body, hey, we're using these muscles. Don't let them go. Alone, protein may help a little, but combined with even light strength work, the effects multiply. And here's a variation designed just for seniors. Spreading protein evenly across the day. Most people eat a tiny bit at breakfast, a little more at lunch, and then pile it all at dinner. But research shows your muscles respond better when each meal carries its share. Imagine starting your morning with Greek yogurt and walnuts, lunch with a tuna salad, and dinner with a lean steak or beans. It's like watering a plant evenly instead of drowning it once a day. Think about it this way. Every bite of protein after 60 is like a deposit in your muscle savings account. The more consistent your deposits, the stronger your balance of energy, mobility, and independence stays. And here's the empowering part. This isn't about dieting or chasing youth. It's about protecting your freedom, the ability to walk upstairs, lift your grandkids, or carry your own bags. That's what protein after 60 really buys you. Independence. If you want a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how much protein to eat, the best senior-friendly meals, and exercises you can do at home, I've created a full digital plan you can download today. The link is waiting for you right below this video. But before you click, here's something I want you to think about. Everyone's talking about collagen these days, but is whey protein actually better for seniors who want to lose weight? That's the next video on your screen right now, and trust me, you'll want to see the surprising answer. So here's my question for you. What's one small change you can make this week to add more protein to your meals? Because the secret isn't just knowing the science, it's acting on it, starting today.